Well, as usual, I have already started the repair job before I remembered. Oh, that's right. I'm supposed to be making a video to show folks. So you won't see me turn the faucet on and no water come out. So you're going to have to take my word on it that that's what I was doing. So that's the repair. The repair is when you turn your water faucet on and it doesn't come out in the full force, or it doesn't come out at all, which was the case for me, what to do or what to check. So that's what this video is about. And let me get the wrench. I'm going to try to do it with one hand so it's lefty-loosey. So you put the cloth there so you don't scratch up your faucet. I'm going to have to turn off this video. I'm going to see if I can show you all the different things. So it has this washer in it. And it has this other little white thing. Get it out. See, and it has these little holes. And all those little holes were filled up with metal deposits. And then it has this little thing that goes in here, like the screen. So, okay, so I'm going to put it back together now. Put that in there. I'm gonna rinse it out again. All right, I'm gonna get a pin and dig those out, and then I'll put it back together again. Okay, I got it more cleaned out. I actually used this quilting pin that I had. Whoops. So now I'm going to put it back together. So hard to do stuff like trying to look through the camera lens and do it. Nope, that's not right. I'm going to probably, well, that is the way it goes. There we go. I got it in there. And then the thick washer. This one has some ridges on it. Let me see if I can get it. So you can see that it has ridges. There we go. Let's try to, oops. Try to squeeze that in there. All right, I'm going to need two hands. I don't think I can do it like this to get it down flat in there. Oh, I just heard it pop. Let me look at it. Okay. So then, put it here where you see the toothpaste on it. Okay, so what is it? It's righty-tighty. Righty-tighty. There we go. So, you know, I always say, well, it's never like on TV, right? So,